Hi, this video is about using critical analysis in examining this subject called managing customers. And it starts with customer selection. See, all the green individuals are potential customers, and those blue slashed lines are the barriers that exist that the organization creates to keep out some customers and only let in certain customers, because not every and any possible customer is desirable. Organizations are selective. Just like when they're selecting and hiring employees, they have a selection process for their customers as well. Now, your organization may have all sorts of customer barriers, including the hours of operation, your locations, the ways that employees interact with customers, the wording and imagery used in marketing materials. These are all ways, and there's many more, of keeping most customers out and only letting certain ones in. And some customers might not want to even stay, even though they've been selected as good candidates. They may come in and look around and decide that the organization is not a good fit for them, and they may leave. Now, customer training can also be seen as manipulating the customer into performing actions that benefit the organization and make it seem like they, the customer, are part of the in crowd. Like this one customer that has been convinced to get into the inner customer circle, they had to crawl and squeeze through that tiny little space. And that inner circle was that special that the customer was willing to do what was required. That customer is being trained and rewarded for performing the actions that benefit the organization. Now, it's also possible that this particular customer just enjoys crawling. Maybe they're a spelunker and they actually enjoy the action of crawling, and so they don't think of crawling as a subservient kind of behavior. And so they were perfectly willing and enjoyed the crawling experience that they had to do to get into the inner circle of this particular organization. Whether they enjoyed it or not is not the point of this, using this critical analysis of this idea of managing customers. It's the processes that are put into place that require the customers to perform certain actions. So viewing customer management in this way, examining the customer management strategies and norms of organizations, is an essential part of critically analyzing an organization's approach to service excellence.